Hi, my name is Kirstine and welcome to this tutorial on getting started with NgageCMS. Today we'll be looking through the user interface and a quick overview of some of the features available. Okay, so once you've logged into the CMS, you are presented with the main home navigation on the left and the main home pane to the right. So let's start with the navigation options down the left-hand side. First of all is Help. This opens a search area which enables you to find support information for all areas of the NgageCMS. Secondly, we have History. This is a quick menu option to navigate to previously edited items. The next one is Home. This is the current page we are on, and I will talk a bit more about this later on. Next up is Assets, which is basically a library of any uploaded files which can contain images, PDFs or Word documents. Once uploaded to this area, your assets are then available to use throughout the CMS. If you would like to manipulate any images you have uploaded, the Ngage Image Editor is a powerful and easy to use feature. Okay, moving down the list to the next option, which is Websites. From here you can control the content of your websites, for example, if you need to add new pages, stock items and link menus. Next up is Mobile Apps. If you are using the integrated mobile content app, you can create navigation and assign content items from here. Push notifications can also be managed in this area. Next up is Users, and you can see there are two types of user here. Firstly, we have web users. This will display a list of users that can log into your website, depending on your setup. You can authorize users, reset passwords, and assign documents, links, and content to a specific user, and this will appear once the user logs into the website. And the second type is CMS users, where you can manage users who log into the CMS. You're able to control user permissions from here, allowing you to set restrictions on all areas of the CMS. Okay, moving on to marketing. Now, marketing contains three options. Let's look at adverts first. This will allow you to add advertising to your website, and it has a reporting feature also for important things like impressions and click rates. Okay, on to the next option, emails. From here you can send bulk HTML emails to web or CMS users or to your own CSV file of email addresses. And lastly, the SMS option, which allows you to send bulk SMS messages to the same group as in emails. Next navigation option is Reports. As the name suggests, this is where reports can be added by your developer. This will show graphical data, so examples of this would be things like stock sales and published articles. Any type of report can be added in here. So moving down to settings, this area is generally used by your developer to set things like image sizing, website languages and templates. Okay, so next up is the search option, which is a global search option to quickly find content, assets or users. Next is Logout, which as the name suggests is where you can log out of the CMS system. And finally, the About option will show you who is logged in and the current version of the CMS you have installed. This icon will flash if a new version is available. Okay, so now let's come back to the home section we mentioned earlier. This really is your area and can be customized. You can add widgets by clicking Add New Widget. We have a few default widgets that are already included, and your developer can add further customized widgets as they wish. In the final part of this tutorial, we're going to have a quick look at how the main tree works. So let's open a website to show you a few options. The main tree is then loaded, and a single left click on any item in the main tree will open the item and it will appear in the right pane. For more advanced options, you can simply right click, and depending on the area you are in, the options displayed will be different. Okay, that completes the Getting Started with NgageCMS tutorial. I hope this has been helpful. For further information on our products and updates, as well as more tutorial videos in this series, please visit our website ngage.software, or you can follow us on Twitter or find us on Facebook.